Okay. Here today for a pretrial?
Yes, sir. Judge, I've been trying to get this sworn tape statement from Amanda Weber that Mr. Sullivan sent me 2 discoveries, but there's no sworn tape statement. He didn't send it. I sent you another motion to compel, and I'm sorry I didn't comply by the rule because I forgot to sign the certificate of service. But I've got another one ready now. I need the statement.
Your Honor, if I could address that issue. So Mr. Nix provided several exhibits to his motion to compel. There's a misunderstanding of what the court's ruling was based on the motion to suppress. In the ruling, there is reference to Ms. Weber's sworn statement. Nowhere does it say anywhere that this statement was recorded. I have reached out to Panama City Police Department to check, and I'm going to read the response that I got. It's from the officer, Raymond McNeil. Says, I thought the statement with Ms. Weber was collected on Officer Hutchinson's body-worn camera due to my body-worn camera being knocked off the time to stop. After reviewing the body-worn camera with Officer Hutchinson, I confirmed that he terminated the body-worn camera moments before him and I had spoken with Ms. Weber. Therefore, the statement was not recorded. It was not recorded on a handheld recorder, and he did confirm that all future statements would be recorded with handheld recorders. That being said, the statement that has been testified to, talked about, was a sworn statement, but nowhere has anybody ever claimed that it was a recorded statement. There is no recording of this statement.
All right. Judge, I'm Clark. Sorry, it states right here on the affidavit. Postman in the morning, Weber did provide a sworn tape statement to the investigators.
And that's my understanding, judges. He believed that it was captured by that body camera, but
Let me just suggest, when they say they don't have it,
yes, sir.
that's what I'm stuck with.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know. There's nothing else I can do. Yeah, I mean, they're supposed to, when the demand for discovery is filed,
Yes, sir.
they have to provide everything that. They
Yes,
say
sir.
they don't have it, so they don't have it. There's nothing else I can do.
But that's what they got the search warrant all for, sir. Mr. Doodle warrant, the sworn tape statement. That's all they had. There was no sales. She had nothing. It's just all up on this sworn tape statement.
as far as that goes, I mean, whether the statement was given and whether it was recorded or not doesn't change the probable cause for the warrant.
I know.
There were some other issues that Mr. Nix brought up in his motion to compel. I think he had requested the body camera footage.
Yes, sir. When I first got, when they first pulled me over, Sergeant Shaw, which is Captain Shaw, and Corporal Sigler.
And the issue with that is there are body cameras available. They were provided to Ms. McCarthy when she was on the case.
Yes, sir.
The issue that I have is I can't just give Mr. Nix a disc with him being in custody. Those body cameras footage does exist, and it was provided to defense counsel previously, but with him being in custody, it becomes a little bit difficult for me to provide him that footage.
Ms. McCarthy, did you provide all your discovery to him?
Yes, sir. We can't give him the disc either.
Yes, sir.
He had seen the body cam.
But Your Honor, the first part of where they pulled me over, they did not overturn that body cam. And this is very crucial to my case. They never, when they first pulled me over.
You think I know what you're talking about?
When the body cam starts, Your Honor, I'm already in handcuffs. I need the part where they first got me before I got put in handcuffs.
All I can say, Judge, is all the body cams that are in this case have been turned over. I can't control when the officers turn their body cams on and off, things of that nature. Everything that was recorded has been turned over.
And you've had a chance to, what Ms. McCarthy had, you've had a chance to look at that?
Yes, sir, most of them. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But also, Your Honor, I got another issue. I mean, I don't mean to take up all your time, but I've got another
You're
issue.
not going to take up all my time. I'm going to give you just a little bit.
Yes, sir. In the discovery that Mr. Sullivan just sent me, there are 2 affidavits in there. It's not filed. But by the rule, by this rule, by this rule right here, rule 3.115, the duties of a state attorney criminal intake. The state attorney shall provide the personal or procedure for criminal intake into the judicial system. All sworn complaints charging the commission of a criminal offense shall be filed in the office of the clerk of the circuit court and delivered to the state attorney for further proceedings. in both discoveries, Your Honor. That affidavit is not filed in either discovery.
What you want me to do?
I need them thrown out. They're not filed. I've got the motions here for you.
Mr. Sullivan, any response?
Your Honor, there was a, let me double check this. This was already essentially litigated.
No, sir.
Ms. McCarthy filed a motion to dismiss on August 21st, 2023, dealing with the affidavits.
That was continued, Your Honor. And then it never was brought back up. There's only one affidavit filed, Your Honor, and it's got it at the right top corner. It's 22-3101.
This is not my motion day, so if you want to file your motion.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sullivan has a copy. We'll set whatever's left.
Yes, sir.
January, what is that, the 19th at 9?
Yes, sir. I got your,
No,
here's
I
your.
believe Mr. Nix is set for the February trial day. I'd like to leave him set for that date as well.
Yes, sir. But also, Your Honor, deposition has never been taken in this case.
Have you filed your notice to set, have you tried to set depositions?
No, sir, I haven't. But I'm asking now, I need to set them.
You got to set them. I'm not going to set them.
Okay.
You're representing yourself.
Yes, sir.
You're going to have a very difficult time setting up depositions. And you're going to have a very difficult time taking depositions representing yourself.
Yes.
You're going to be you're at a disadvantage.
Yes, sir. I
Once
understand that.
again, you have a right to have an attorney appointed to represent you. Mr.
Yeah.
McCarthy, that'll leave you back up counsel.
Your Honor, we've done depositions in this case. I've got depositions of Christian Shaw, Raymond McNeil, and Joshua Siegler that were conducted in this case.
Mr. Nix, you're not doing a very good job.
They've never given me no copies of no depositions, Your Honor.
They may not have done them. They may not have transcribed them. That's something you have to do on your own.
Yes, sir. Well,
I mean, you have to have them done. So I don't know. I mean, that's something that you're going to have to do yourself. I can't help you do that. Once again, do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
sir,
Do you wish to have an attorney
I
appointed?
do not know, I do not want Lord McCarthy. No, sir.
You're fixing to litigate yourself to a
No,
mess.
I just have to do it myself. Here's yours, your copies,
I
Your
don't
Honor.
need a copy. You can file
This is for the motions I'm filing.
them with the clerk's office. I don't take them. All right, we'll see you January 19th at 9 o'clock. We'll leave you on the February trial document. We'll use that 19th as a motion day as well as a pre-trial day. Trial management.
Yes, sir.